I've got a Boxycharm unboxing. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. I subscribed for the first time to Boxycharm last month. I think I showed what was in my box going live. I like to go live on an occasional Friday. So be sure and subscribe below to A, add a little chaos to your day, and B, get notified when I go live so you can join in the fun conversations. I was very pleasantly surprised with my Boxycharm last month and really dug it. I thought I'd probably just subscribe for 3 months. That's what I signed up for, was the 3-month plan. It was a good value. I will link that for you below in case it's something you're interested in. But if I really, really like it, I'll continue. And if not, I'll move on to something else. We start off with a 25% off coupon to Butter and just a little card. Let's get into it. This is Double Decker Lashes Mascara by Butter. Woohoo! I am excited about this. Look at this. I have a series called Hunt for the World's Greatest Mascara, and I will link that for you up here. You'll just see a little thing pop up, and you can click on that, go to that playlist, watch whatever you're interested in, and then come back, or you can wait till this video is over, click on it, and it'll open up into that. Anyways, this will definitely be put to the test, so stay tuned for that. Next up is a Pretty Vulgar blush. This is very pretty. I'm already wearing blush, or I tried this on, but how about we do a little swatchy. It's kind of a rosy, burnty orange color. I really, really like it. I love the Pretty Vulgar line, and I actually have a video on some of the line. You should go watch it. It's a really good line. I actually enjoyed, I can't recall a product I didn't love, and I'm continuing to use their mascara, and their setting spray is absolutely the best setting spray I've ever used. Now we've got South Main Eye Gel Packs. What a fun little package. And inside we have 3 under eye gels. If you're interested in how these work, follow me on Instagram. I'll have that linked for you below. I regularly do masking on Fridays and or Saturdays, and I like to post pictures. And also, if you're masking, be sure and tag me, Mascara, the number 2, Midnight, M-I-D-N-I-T-E, Mascara to Midnight. I like to be cool when I pick my names. And this is, I don't know, Boxycharm by Pure. Let's see what's inside of this. It is sealed up like Fort Knox here. Oh, it's an eyeshadow palette. Very pretty. Look at this. Isn't that nice? That would go great with my shirt that I'm wearing. It's pretty sparkly. This is also pretty sparkly. And this, I love it. I've got some lipstick that'll go great with that. I sometimes like to coordinate my eyeshadow and my lipsticks. This, love it, love it, love it. Okay, that is pretty nice. I have been complaining that I hadn't had a new palette in a while, so I'm very excited to get that. And then lastly, we have some brushes. I got brushes last time too, so I don't know if this is a thing. They include brushes. I give my last ones to my daughter because she likes to steal my beauty stuff. This is called the Vintage Cosmetic, and it's really cute packaging as well. Let's have a look at these brushes. These are sadly boring. Boring. They feel like they might be pretty good. This one is, oh goodness. I don't have my glasses on, but these look, I don't know. These look like they might be pretty good. If not, I will pass these on to my daughter. What did you think? Do you get the same things I get? I don't know how Boxycharm works because I've never really even watched very many videos of it. I loved everything I got except for these, but I may be surprised and love these. Thank you for joining me here today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I do makeup, skincare, hair, nails. I do beauty boxes. I do it all here. Just click on that picture just above me. That will subscribe you to my channel. And in the meantime, here's a video for you to watch. Tell me below what beauty box I should try next. Be blessed.